Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Glory Mtui, and in today's video I'll be showing you such a very easy tutorial on how to fit in cornrows. I started by divide the lines, and I use this gel to apply on my lines before I start to braid. So I make sure I secure the rest of the hair. Then I go ahead and apply gel on the line before I start to braid. Then I use toothbrush to brush the hair and make sure everything is okay, the hair slicked down. I use 1.5 package of this braiding hair from Prima Afro Company, and each line I fit in 5 times, so I prepare 5 sections of braiding hair. So I started by divide small section. Then this small section I divide in 3 sections, then I start to braid. So after I braid my natural hair like 3 steps, I start fit in braiding, and I started from small section to the big section. So after I braid, I make sure all the braiding are at the same section, the same side. Then I fit in and I add again braiding hair. Then I go ahead and every time I make sure I add small amount of my natural hair under the braiding. Then I continue fit in. You can use this method in any size of the line you want fit in. So if you want fit in small lines, you have to prepare your braiding hair into more small section. When you fit in, you have to take more thin amount of braiding to make your line looks more good. But if you want to make your lines bigger, of course you have to use more bigger amount of braiding hair. And this is the last section of braiding hair to fit in, so the rest of the line I will not add any more braiding hair. But every time I make sure I add the small amount of my natural hair under the braiding hair, and I make sure the braiding cover my natural hair. By the way, I never do fit in cornrow by my own, never. So this is my first time to try this. But guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly join the family by subscribing and turn on notification bell. So I continue braiding, and because I will not add any more braiding hair, I go ahead and continue to add small section of my hair, and every time when I add my hair, I make sure the braiding hair cover my natural hair. So every time when I add, the braiding cover my hair, so I put my natural hair under the braiding. So I continue to braid till end of this line. Then I turn in front so that I can see clear and continue to braid. And I continue to braid till I finish the tail. And when I almost finish, I use small section of braiding and I tie twice to avoid this line to unravel. And this is how the line come out like. Let me do it one more time, guys. Applying gel on my hair, this is option. But if you don't like use gel on your hair, that's okay. You have to make sure you're stretching out your hair a day before. You can do something like African threading method. That is the best method to stretching out your hair if you don't like using heat. Or you can do any kind of cornrow just to prepare your hair for this style. So if you stretch out your hair, it will be more easy for you to hold your hair when you're braiding. Things will be more easy, guys.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
So after I finish braiding, I go ahead and take scissors and trim off all the excess hair. You can go ahead and put your braiding hair into hot water, that is option, but I didn't. So after I trim off all the excess hair, this is how the braiding come out like, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video and you get something, you find this video is useful. If yes, kindly hit the subscribe button below and give this video a thumb up. Thank you so much, guys, for your endless support. I love you all, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.